Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today we are joining Operation Starburst 21. I did it last year also, and now we're gonna do it again. I will have 3 videos with each 5 new channels. And yeah, so let's get into the first video and the first 5 channels. Thank you, Steryl, for doing this again. Hope this continues next year and the year after. Alright, first we got Picking Rick. I'm gonna subscribe, of course. He now got 72 subscribers. And let's see what we got. He got this little logo up here, hand drawn. Got some nice videos, it looks like. So you already got 24 videos on. The last one 2 weeks ago. Different styles, pretty nice. No playlist. Got some channels subscribe to. Mine is missing, of course. No, just kidding. All good. Just a hobby log sporter trying to improve and entertain. Well, so you got many shiny things from the Pet Clock 200 Club. Well, check him out. I have to watch some videos from him. So next one, I got Nick. I'm already subscribed to him. He got 83 subscribers. Oh, I like his header over here. It's a different kind of keys. Looks like a Kaba. Pretty nice. Pretty cool. And he got like 12 videos, I believe. Yeah. But very nice one. Medico CX5 Scorpion, Medico 4. So not your low level logs, more medium level. We got one playlist. Oh, he's a locksmith and a lockpicker, located in Canada, Ontario. Very nice. Well, check out his channel, Nick channel. And we're going over to Pixter. I'm already subscribed to him. He only got 8 subscribers, and the last video was about 8 months ago. I don't know if he's very active, so you might want to check him out. Hopefully he will become active again. Bet $100 was one of my giveaways. Oh, okay, cool. Bet 100, I remember that one. It's a while ago. Then we got Efficient or Ringo. He's well known. I don't know why I'm not subscribed. Last video 3 months ago. Acer 700, 600 and Acer Desmo. Well, hopefully he also becomes more active on the YouTube channel. And G-Pick. I'm gonna subscribe to him as well. Got now 11 subscribers with mine. Last video was 3 months ago. Guys. Look Magic. Speed pick. I did some speed picks, yeah. Yeah, I remember. I believe he even holds some speed records for the 150 and 140. I'm not sure, but yeah, might be. Oh, he got even the 1100. Yeah, he's doing some speed picking, so definitely check him out. Yeah, he got speed picks, picking guard, contest. Very nice. Well, these are 5 new channels, 3 semi-active, but maybe if you guys show them some support, it will become more active. Alright, so that was my first video, Operation Starburst, and all the channels are linked in the description. Go check them out. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.